Yeah, when you are single, you are happy, but if you really want to have fulfilled life.
Yeah.
So it stuck my mind. I said, okay.
So are you reading this while in the university?
No, high school, after finishing high school, yeah.
Okay.
Before joining university. Then I say, okay, no dating until I have my first degree.
What? Okay.
Yeah, that was, the book, I understand the book. I'll give you the pitch of the book. Like, it says this, but I will not date anybody until I have my first degree, because I know the confusion.
Right.
Yeah, I was trying to study hard.
You're not ready for fulfillment until you have it.
Yeah. It's like you have to turn on and you have to date somebody. You have to. For me, it was kind of crazy.
Right.
Yeah, because I was seeing my friends who they are busy, buying flowers, going night and doing.
Didn't you envy that? Didn't you want? I mean, you're a girl. Don't you like flowers?